This 2020 Keystone Outback 340 BH2 BDRM triple slide, rear bunkhouse is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Keystone is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a tan, brown classic neutrals with whitewash cabinets interior, sleeps 10, slideout, skylight, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Keystone Outback 340 BH2 BDRM triple slide, rear bunkhouse is 8,840 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.